Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Okay, fine. So how are you all? Good afternoon. How are you all?
Yeah, fine, ma'am. How about you?
Yes, I'm good. Guys, whether you guys have completed everything, assignments.
Yes, ma'am.
Shiva Shakti, hope you received the video, I guess, of last class.
Sorry?
So I think you have received the video of Tuesdays, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, I have
Yeah,
received.
then fine.
Yesterday night only we were able to view that.
Yeah, sometimes there will be a technical issue. You won't be able to receive. And also, if it is there, any fees due means also they will be going to deduct your connection. So please
Okay.
be on, okay? So you can
Okay.
complete your fees dues. If it is any fees dues are there means please complete, or else you can't able to see the videos, okay?
No,
That is
actually, I was unable to view the videos yesterday morning. Then I raised a ticket, but I have completed the fees dues and all. But once I raised the complaint, I was able to see that.
okay, then good.
I called. Yeah.
Yeah, then good. Okay, and what about others? Did you all complete it till what and all have completed? So till last class, we have discussed about the purchase invoice, I guess. Anyone have any doubts with any topics? Did everyone complete it?
Yes, ma'am.
Who
Yes,
says
ma'am.
everyone? Are you all sure?
Yeah, ma'am.
Whether your opening balance is tallied?
Yes.
And what about and Praveen?
हाँ मैम
How ma'am is
Tally
tallied?
sixty
I
four
think
lakh six
everyone have
thousand five
completed,
hundred.
I guess.
हाँ
Yes.
मैम.
So I think everyone have completed till purchase invoice, I guess. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So today I already have sent the invoices in your respective groups, case study. So you can just download that. So let me continue with the topic now.
Ma'am, I have a clarification.
Yes.
Actually, I was working in an MNC, but there this Tally software was not used. So whether henceforth this
The
will be
thing
used
I
only.
all yes, I have told you all in the introduction class itself. It will be
Yeah, yeah,
used
I
in middle
understand,
and
but
lower cap.
yeah, I understand. The updated version of this is Zoho Books, or that is the completely different software.
No, it depends. So we have
Okay.
a varieties of accounting softwares. Okay. So as
Okay.
you know that Tally we have, Zoho we have, SAP S/4HANA we have, and also Oracle we have. So like that we have varieties of software. So which
Okay.
one they prefer and which sometimes. So now you can see that some of the college, some of the organization and all, they won't be preferring for Tally ERP. They will be preferring for only Tally ERP 9, not Tally Prime advanced version.
Okay.
Okay, so that
Okay.
is will be happen. So most of the time, so some organization in the IT sectors or any multinational companies and all, they will be preferring for particular things. If you want to
Okay.
prepare particularly payroll means they can use for they can use Tally. And also if they want to prepare only OHS regarding things, they will be going to using Tally. So this is what, if it is a
Okay.
if they want in the cloud software means they'll go ahead with the Zoho. And if they want everything should be in the same one software, if you want to control the overall management, plus you want to maintain the accounts, plus you want to maintain overall the things at the company means you'll be going with the SAP S/4HANA. Understood?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Understood.
This is what the difference between each and every software.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So guys, please do download the invoices which already I have sent. Okay, let me share my screen. Anyone have any doubts with any topics or any queries? Hello.
No, ma'am.
You said for during the weekends we need to practice in the fake company system which we have created.
Hmm.
Whether the same amount need to be taken, or will there be any? Different
No,
PDF
you
will be shared.
like you have to take, because I know guys, once if you practice, just take it as example. Yesterday class you have learned purchase invoice. Today, if I
Yeah.
start with the sales invoice, means you'll be forgetting the purchase invoice. So that's the same. You can use the same case study and you can practice one more time. Is that okay?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, fine.
And someone asked me something. I think Mohammed or Eric. Hello. Anyone have any doubts?
No.
No, right?
Yes,
Mohammed?
no.
Oh, let me continue with the next topic. Okay, till last class we have discussed about the purchase order as well as the material inward, as well as we have done with the purchase invoice recording. Everything we have done. Now, so just take it as an example. We have converted the raw materials into finished goods. So now we are ready to sell that goods. Okay. Or if you are traders means obviously you will be like if you're dealing with a trading activity means obviously what you're going to do, so you will be purchasing the finished goods itself and you will be selling for the customers. That is also will be happening, am I right?
Yeah.
So that is what the thing. So just according to your case study as I analyze, so that you will become as a trader. Okay, you're a trading activity you're doing. So now, so you are kept trading industry. So now you're going to sell that particular goods, what and all you already have bought from the manufacturer. Now you're going to sell for the customer. So that is what the thing. So here, after converting the raw material into finished goods, what will be the next step? Any guesses?
Selling those goods.
Yes, you're going to sell that goods. So first, how you did in the purchase invoice, same thing you're going to do for the sales also. So we already raised a purchase invoice, then we went for the material invoice, as well as then we went for the sales purchase invoice. Am I right? So here
Yeah.
also you will be receiving an order from the customers. Okay, you will be receiving an order from the customers. For the customer, it's a purchase order. For you, it's a sales order. Understood?
Yeah.
For customer, it's a purchase order. For you, it's a sales order. First and foremost, we are going to prepare now. We are going to record in our books that what and all the order you have received from the customer, those things you're going to record in your books of account by using a sales invoice, sales order. Next, you'll be going with the delivery note. So anyway, the person has confirmed and your end also, that is you have confirmed, and next we'll be going with the delivery note. Delivery note means it's nothing that what and all the things you are going to dispatch from your go down or from your location or from your warehouse. So you're going to dispatch that goods and you're going to deliver for that particular customer. So those stuffings, sometimes I can say that sometimes we'll be having insufficient stocks in our company or a warehouse. In that situation, we'll be transferring only few items you're going to send for the first time, or second time you'll be sending full stocks which and all they have ordered from the customer. So this is what the thing will happen generally. So here you'll be going to send, you're going to deliver that particular goods. Why we have to prepare a delivery note means, if you are taking more than worth rupees 50,000, if it is a worth more than 50,000 means, so we have to prepare our delivery note. It can be from intrastate or interstate, whatever it may be, or wherever it may be. Okay, whatever it may be and wherever it may be. So, but if you're transferring from one place to another place means, obviously there will be you will be seeing that toll collections as well as toll fees. Are you all aware of that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So in that situation, they will be asking what you're going to carry and what you're carrying, that everything they will be asking. And sometimes, so inspection also going to happen. So if you are taking from the truck and all means, obviously they'll check. So if you don't have the proper receipt, delivery note means, obviously it will be considered as a what? It will be considered as a illegal. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Delivery note as well as sales receipt is more or less the similar, right?
Yeah, it will be similar.
The only
One
thing,
sec, one sec, one sec, one sec, guys. Class of. I'm sorry, Shivashakti. Sorry, you can continue. What is your query?
no issues, ma'am. Actually, delivery note and sales receipt are same, I guess. But even though it's same, we need to prepare separately delivery note as well as the sales receipt.
Yeah, delivery note is which you are going to give for that particular um will be transporter. Am I right? For the transporter,
Okay.
will be going to give and he'll be taking because he has to show for the like if it is any inspections going on means obviously he has to show that. So that is why you're going to give and also to track that where it
Okay.
is it has reached and where it is going to track that we'll be having a e-way bill also. So delivery note in that only will be having that particular scanner. I think you'll be aware of that in the online and all. If you ordered means you can see that where at it is reached everything.
Yeah,
Have
yeah,
you ever
yeah. I
seen?
can.
Yes. It has dispatched. It is now shipped like that, and all will be getting. We can track that. So same like that in the delivery note also we can see that. So do not like since it should not waste any product. So that's the sake we'll be preparing a e-way bill and delivery note. So in the e-way bill it will be completely to track, and delivery note it's completely for the purpose of to if it is a more than worth 50,000 means obviously they should carry compulsorily they should carry so that so there should be any problem will occur. Okay, so that's the thing. And it's a delivery note as well as the sales invoice is completely different, guys. Sales in delivery notice, if you're delivering a goods from one place to another place means you will be generating a delivery note. Okay, how much the quantity you are delivering and how much the price, everything will be listed in that particular delivery note. Okay, and also particularly address also. The next, sales invoice. Sales invoice is nothing that if you had like how much the amount, the total taxable value or a total value has to pay by the customer. So that will be recorded in the sales invoice. Okay. So there is a difference between the delivery note as well as a sales invoice. Sales invoice will be raised because for the purpose of to collect the money, how much we need to collect on the based on the product. So it will be entered in that particular invoices, not for any other sake. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Got an idea about the delivery note as well as the sales invoice?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, fine. So let us continue with the sales order. Later, I'll teach you all delivery note and sales invoice. And if we have some more time, I'll be going with the next concept also. Okay, fine. Let me open the thing. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so this will be your invoice, guys. You can see here recording sales invoice. The following purchase order have been received from your customer. Create a sales order for the same. Okay. So for them, it's a purchase order. For you, it's a sales order, as already I have told you. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here you can see that Technova solution. They will be your customer. Means Sunday data. Am I right?
Yeah.
And also you can see the vendor. So you will become as a vendor and shipping to Technova solution, and also shipping terms. You can see cost, insurance, and freight. So it depends. So sometimes terms which we are following, it can be freight or it can be insurance wise, or if it is a cost means it will be a cost. Okay, and shipping method will be FedEx, and delivery date also they have given, item also they have given, so everything they have given. And also we have I think 5 to 6 order, 5 to 6 invoices we have. So I'll be showing one invoice. So rest you can do by yourself. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. One sec. Okay, fine. So can we continue? So same as we did for the purchase order, you'll be doing for the sales order also same thing. First and foremost, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay. You can come to
Yes,
any
ma'am.
other coaches, click on that. So make it as a show inactive. You can come to sales order. You'll be getting control plus F8. Click on that, activate that. Will be receiving this. Okay. So next, already they have given the party name. You can see that Technova solution. They will be your customer. So you can put your customer name. Okay, fine. So here you can write the order details here. Okay. Okay. Mode or terms of payment. So it can be, you can take it as a cost, insurance, or a freight, or other reference. Don't give anything. Terms of delivery. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay. So guys, here just take it as a 30 days. Okay. Here you can see that payment terms will be 30 days. So you can take 30 days. Other reference, don't give anything. If you have any other reference means you can see here. If it is any other reference or anything kind of third party is there means, or any other reference related things is there means you can put. So since in your case it's nothing there. So here terms of delivery. So you can see that cost, insurance, and freight. Okay. So these are the terms of delivery, shipping terms, and dispatch through. So they are dispatching through FedEx. Am I right? So
Yes, ma'am.
it will be having that if you're delivering Amazon means we'll be getting from the Amazon only. Sometimes we'll be getting from what is that? Hmm, FedEx, as well as we have a Express and all we have, and e-commerce something will get. And what and all the types, are you all aware of that?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you ordered in the Flipkart means we'll get
E-cart.
e-cart, yes, e-cart. And also we have a different varieties of shipping things. Not getting that. Okay, in that FedEx also one thing. Okay, you'll be taking as a terms of delivery will be a cost of insurance dispatch through will be taking as a FedEx. Okay. Oops. Okay, and destination. So destination you will be mentioning your white field. Okay, you'll be taking for whom you're delivering. Okay, and
Yeah.
if they're given any carrier agent numbers or names and all, you can put, and this also you can put, or date, which date they are delivering. You can see here 1/4/2024. Am I right? So you can give that particular name, date 24. And if you have motor vehicle number means also you can give according to your case study. They didn't give anything, so I'm leaving that area. So you can take a snapshot of this.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone have any doubts till here? Hello guys.
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. Enter. Enter. Ashte. Amele order number. Okay. Here you can see they have given the order number. Copy the order number and you can put. And here same thing, you have to create a sales under sales account. You did for the purchase order, same thing here also you're going to do. And here item, we have to record the item. So you can see that HP laptops. So we are selling HP laptops. So due date 30 days and quantity how much? 52. And rate per piece 42,000. That's it. Same thing, but for the GST also you have to put output CGST, output SGST. Here in the narration you'll be putting as the sales order from Technova. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how you're going to do. Any doubts? Any doubts for anyone? Are you all clear?
Can you explain another time?
Yeah, I will. So same thing as you did for the purchase order, here also same thing, right? Digital enterprises copy. I think I don't have this one. Yeah, I have. So payment terms, you can just give it as a 30 days as per your case study. And terms of payment, you can see that cost, insurance, and freights. You can just select and dispatch through FedEx. And destinations, what they have given, just see here. So I'll be taking as Indira Nagar. And the date, which date they have given, 1/4/2024. Just take 1/4. Okay. Understood? And enter. And here, order number you're going to give. Sales, item, just check the items. HP desktops. Select the HP desktop. 30 days. And rate, you can see 46 quantity. Okay, rate per 22,000. Output CGST. Output SGST. B, sales order received from Digital Wave Enterprises. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You're going to save this. Okay. So this is how you're going to prepare a sales order. Okay. Let us come for the next one. So that will be a delivery note. Okay. So now we have received the order and we have converted the raw material to finished goods. So now the what and all the order we have taken from the customer, it's ready. Now we are going to deliver that particular item. You can see that create a delivery note and sales voucher invoicing. Raise the invoice and delivery note in the accordance with the sales order. Based on the sales order you have to raise and create in activity 1. Okay, and date of delivering and sales will be May 1st, 2024. So here we have to change the delivery because we got a delivery, we got an order on April month, but we are delivering on May month. Okay, keep in your mind. So while recording, be careful. Okay, so now let us come to, so this will be your delivery note. Okay, come to your, you have to go with the other vouchers. So inactive. Can you see the delivery note? Activate that. Make it as a S. Okay. So party name, first let me take it as a Technova solution. Same how you did for the things, the same thing you're going to do. So you can see by default, if you enter means you'll be receiving your order number. You can see here order number as this, the same thing. Just select that, end of list, enter, 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 enter. By default, everything has come. Understood? Can you see that? Hello, hello.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is how. By default, everything will come. The thing is only you have to select particular end of list. Enter, 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 enter. Here, the delivering goods to for whom you are delivering, you can mention
Digital way.
Technova solution. Am I right?
I think digital way.
No, Technova.
Ah, okay, okay, fine. Fine.
Enter, accept. Understood? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anyone have any doubts? Anyone have any doubts?
No, ma'am. No.
Did everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, I'm asking with you all only. If I'm going too fast, please let me know. If you did not understood also, please let me know. I'll repeat once again if you want. Anyone have any doubts with the delivery note and purchase sales order? Ravi Kumar, Eric, Mohammed, Praveen. Yes, Mohammed.
Yeah, understand.
Okay, and Praveen and Eric, Ravi Kumar.
Surya purchased from the association.
Praveen understood, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Eric,
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi Kumar.
Yeah, I understood, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So this is how you're going to do the delivery. Accept. Make it as an okay. So this is how you're going to generate a delivery note. Fine. So let us go with the next concept. Okay. Now, same like that, you will be going to do for the rest of the things. Okay. So now we have done with the sales order as well as delivery note. Let us go with the, here also you can see that. Okay. And one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. Sorry. So while creating a delivery note, you have to change the date. You have to go, let me select that particular date. So delivery note is there. Okay. Here you have to change the date. Okay. So we have to make it as a 1/5/2024. Okay, can you see here? 1st May 2024, we have to generate that. First itself, just change the date and you can continue. Okay, 1/5/2024, you are going to do the delivery note. Understood?
Yeah.
But here you can see in the day book, if you want to see means you can see 1/4/2024, the what and all the transaction you have done, everything will be displayed here. If you want to see for 1/5 means you can just click on F2 and 1/5. So you can see delivery note is created. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now we have to do the sales invoice also. You can see here sales and receipts. So based on this sales order as well as according to this sales voucher also we have to prepare. We have to raise the invoice. So let us come and raise the invoices. We will be going for voucher as usual. Sales. Come to sales. Okay. So here party name. Party name, let me take it as a Technova. Okay, by default you'll be getting the details. Enter. No changes. Enter. By default you'll be getting everything. No more changes. Understood? But you'll be writing a narration. That's it. Will be same as delivery note. New reference. You'll be giving 30 days grace. Only you have to do enter, and you can write the narration. Being sold goods to, or else instead of goods, you can mention it as a HP laptop to Technova solution. Understood?
Yeah.
So this is how you're going to prepare a sales invoice. Anyone have any doubts? Hello? Anyone have,
No, ma'am.
did everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I think you went a little too fast. Can you go back and redo
Yeah.
this, please?
Once again, if you want. For the voucher, you have to go voucher, sales, F8, select the party, Technova solution. By default, you'll be receiving this order number. You can see in your order number. So we are preparing the invoice. Okay, fine.
Once again. So you chose the order number and then you went for the invoice, is it?
We have to select. We already created the purchase order, right? Based on this one.
Right.
But I think only you have to select the order number. That's it. The same thing I'm comparing. You can see 1004. 1004. It is your order number, right?
Right.
So based on that, you are generating the invoice bill.
Okay.
Okay. No more changes you have to do. Okay. Only the thing you have to just enter. By default, everything will come by default. Can you see that? I didn't do anything. I just gave enter. That's it. And by default, you'll be getting, you can see that same order number also has a pop-up here. Only you have to do enter. That's it. Understood?
Okay.
Here you'll be giving narration. That's it. You'll be taking as a, since it's a new reference, if you're first time, if you're doing means you have to take a new reference itself. And here you'll be giving as a 30 days. And narration you'll be going to give.
But you said the waybill details no, right? Why did it show up the details?
What? What? Come again?
No. Where did you make those changes just now?
Which changes?
I mean, the new reference.
By default, it will come.
Okay.
Can you see? But just I'm giving a enter. Okay.
Hmm.
By default, it will come. You'll be getting a bill wise details by default. There you have to select new reference.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Understood? Anyone have any doubts? Be careful about the date, okay? It should be 1st May 2024. So whatever you will be doing to do for the sales as well as delivery note. So you have to change the date particularly. F2 will be the shortcut. Understood?
Yeah.
Are you clear?
Yeah.
Anyone have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, accept this. I will be saving this. So this is how you're going to create a sales order, delivery note, and sales invoice. Anyone have any doubt with these three concepts? Anyone have any doubt with these three concepts?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay, fine. Let us go for the last concept for the day. So, one second. Sales receipt. So now I'll teach you all how to prepare a sales receipt. POS, point of sales. Okay, so POS. So you can get. Are you all aware of POS, point of sales? Do you
Yeah.
have any idea about point of sales?
Yeah, the specific place where the
Yes.
sale and the billing will happen.
Very good. So that is what call it as a sales point of sales. Okay. So the thing is, if you go for, I'm giving best example for you. So if you go for any DMart means, we'll be having one counter for the billing. Am I right?
Yeah.
Oh yes. So if the sale is happening, if they are sold means how they going to consider means after getting a bill. Am I right? After generating a bill only, the product will be going to consider that the product is already sold. Am I right? So
Yeah.
that is the thing. So here you can see that. So each and every time, whether they're going to prepare, whether they're going to generate new bill, like the basic stuffings, whether they're going to ask your name, whether they're going to ask.
No, just the number.
Yes, they will ask only the your phone number as well as what is the item you have bought and what is the item you're buying. So those stuffings they'll record and they'll generate a bill. Am I right? So
Yes.
now I'm going to teach you all how to generate that bill and how it will work. So each and every time they can't able to put the company name and address of that particular company and what is the product of that particular should be. I think you'll be aware of that format. Am I right? You'll be getting big list. So if you
Yes,
got
ma'am.
one pen also, you can see that very big receipt or a bill. Am I right? So that is
Yeah.
what. So it is customized. By default, it will be customized. They will be created and they will be having that template. Only the template they are going to use. So that is what a point of sales billing. Okay, this is which we are preparing now is sales and receipt bill, and that is also considered as a point of sales. How the point of sales will happen, that also we are going to show it here. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let me continue. Anyone have any doubts regarding point of sales? Hello.
No, ma'am. No.
Here you can see that Technova solution is selling particular iPhones as well as Samsung phones and all for the customers. Okay, you can see here number and date, which date they are selling, and the product also they have given one person. Just take it as example. I went to purchase a phone and I bought only one quantity. Rate per piece, you can see. Obviously, it is iPhone means it will cost 1,40,000. So the amount and all everything they have given. Now we have to generate a point of sales. Okay, that is will be a task. Go to Tally. If you come to other vouchers, show inactive. Can you ever seen that point of sale voucher somewhere, anywhere? Point of sales, POS or point of sale anywhere?
No.
No. If that is the case, means we can create a voucher by default, like ourselves. Okay, so that is option is also available. If you want to create any new new vouchers means we can create. For that, we have to go back to masters. We can see here master, create. So can you see that voucher type?
Yeah.
Yes, click on that. So here we have to create a vouchers. If you want extra vouchers, it can be a manufacturing journal or a whatever you want journals if you want to create, or any other stuff is related to the accounts. If you want to create any new things means you'll be creating under this voucher type. Understood? So
Yes.
now I'll be creating as a point of sales. Let me take it as a point of sales. Okay. Under will be stock journal. Since we are selling a stocks, it will comes under the stock journal. Understood? No more
Yes.
change. Just enter, 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 enter. Don't do any changes. Come to year. Print voucher after sale. Make it as a S. Okay. Oops. One sec, guys. Mhm. Okay, okay. I'm sorry, guys. Manufacturing journal. Okay, I'm sorry. So you'll be selecting as a point of sales here. Name will be point of sales. Since we are doing under the sales, okay, we are selling a goods. You'll be recording as a sales, guys. Okay, sales. Enter, enter, enter. Next, print of voucher, making as a S. Use POS invoice. Make it. I can give it as a point of sales, or else you can make it as a sales or a S, whatever you want. You can just keep. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Use for POS invoicing. Why we have selected S means, so sometimes in the bill, have you ever seen that thank you, visit again and all, the message they will be given, and
Yeah.
welcome and something and all, they will be in the last or starting itself they will be giving, right? So what is the message you want to, like, it should be appear in that bill. So like while taking a printout, it should show that. Am I right? So for that sake, I'll be giving as a thank you here. The first I'll be giving as a thank you. In the down, I'll make it as a visit again. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Enter. And if you want to like default bank and all, if you want, you can select. Don't select anything here. Okay. So nothing. So here you'll be selecting, you'll be taking as a name of the class will be POS, point of sales. If you want, you can take a snapshot of this. Take a snapshot. Done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Whether I'm going too fast? Are you getting my points? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Enter. You'll be receiving this. Okay. So here you can see default ledger accounts for POS invoice. Okay. Sometimes, so some customers will bring gift vouchers if they have received any gift vouchers like a 50% off, like that vouchers and all, festival vouchers and all. If they have means, so they will be giving and they'll take a discount. If that is the case, means you can enable here. You can make it as a S, and which is the gift voucher based on the digital enterprises or a HP India or a Technova solution, whichever the sundry debtors or customers they are providing a discount, means you can select that. So if it is not there, means you can make it as a no. Okay. Next, come to debit and credit card. So usually each and every customers use debit card as well as a credit card or else online payment. Am I right?
Yes.
So you can, for that you can make it as a yes. So I'll be selecting as a ICICI Bank. So which bank you are going to do the transaction? Let me select it as a ICICI Bank. And year, so sometimes check DD whether in the trading activities or a trading industry or any DMart or a malls, whether they'll accept check and DD. Have we ever seen that?
No.
Yes. So you'll be making as a no for check and DD. Okay. If you receive means, if you are accepting means, as a just now for time being, just take it as an example. You will be going to billing. You are in the billing department. Okay. So for the gift voucher, if it is gift voucher, if it is come means, you can just make it as a S, or if it is a credit note they are using means, make it as a S, or as a DD also. If the like nobody will allow this, so in case in your company or in your sector, if they're allowing means, you can just make it as a S. So cash, usually generally they'll carry the cash, so cash transaction also they will allow, so make it as a S. Understood?
Yeah.
Here you'll be selecting ledger. Since we are doing sales, so take it as a sales. Okay, by default everything will come. Okay, additional accounting entries means if you are collecting a taxes. Okay, if you are collecting taxes means we have to record here. So let me take output CGST 9% and output SGST 9%. And if you're providing any discounts, like if it is any festivals, if you're giving any discounts means, that also we have to create here. So I'll be creating, because we didn't create any discount ledgers as of now. Am I right? Whether you
Yeah.
created any discount vouchers?
No.
So now I'll be creating a discount ledger. So we have an option called create. You can go there, make it as a discount under indirect expenses. Why it is not showing? One sec, guys. Okay, let it be. Okay. Understood? Discount under the indirect expenses. Understood? Clear? I'll be saying, okay. Can see now discount as come. And by default, the calculation method will also come. Okay. So if it is an additional exercise or don't select any kind of things, guys, just select it as a as user defined value. Okay, because if they're providing a discount means, as one who are billing there, that person can decide that. Am I right? Because
Yeah.
we knowing for which product how much discount we have to give. Am I right? So
Yes.
as user defined value, you'll be going to select. Okay. Next, if it is a rounding off, if you want to make it as a rounding off means also you can make. So I'll be creating a ledger called rounding off under indirect expenses. Understood? And I'll be saving. So here also, based on the total amount, if you are doing means also fine. So or user value defined also you can find. So as a total value, I'll be going to do the normal.
Rounding.
Okay. So just take it as an example. Okay, 30 limits will be 30 or 80 or 50. Let us take it as a 5. How much you want to round for rounding off? If it is a 5 means how much you want to round off that. So you can take, if it is 1 also doesn't matter, you can take 1. Okay, based on your thing. Now end. So that's it, guys. No more changes. Till here, everyone understood? If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
take a snapshot of this.
For small shops, for groceries and all, they need to update every items for discount, right? Each and every item, it need to be updated.
Discounts, they can particularly they can maintain record in the invoice by preparing the invoice. So here
Oh,
you'll be setting, only setting you are going to configure here.
okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Fine. So enter. Others, did you all understood? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll be saving. Now we have to do the POS. So now let me go with the voucher. Okay, come to other vouchers. So can you see here POS has come? Point of sales. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
you have created a point of sale. By default, the voucher has created. Now you can see in the F10. Okay, enter now. So you'll be asking point of sale voucher type, which voucher type you want. You can select point of sales. So you'll be receiving this. Okay. So if you go for the DMart, whether they'll ask your name.
No.
So just make it as a not applicable. Okay. And in your case study also, they didn't give any names. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm not taking any names. Here I'll be taking as a product. Which product? iPhone. We have a product of iPhone. So I think I don't have iPhone. Let me create. Under electronic items, invoice. So also they didn't give any GST number. GST, so I'm not giving anything. Okay, that's it. By default, it will come. So number quantity. So if you want to change any quantity, you can change. You can see here quantity they have given as a 1. So rate, how much rate? Nothing. 1,40,000. So sorry. Okay. And
14 lakh.
the GST means by default it will come, but since we didn't give any GST number, it won't give coming. And if you're providing any discount means you can like a 50% and all means you can get the discount. So according to your case study, they didn't give anything. So just make it as a 0. Okay. And rounding off also, we are not rounding because since already it is round off. So no more changes. Okay. Till here, everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So fine. You can see here, we had made in the POS by customizing, we have made S for the 2 things. One is a credit and debit card as well as a cash. Am I right?
Yeah.
If the customer comes and if they're paying through UPI or if they're using any card means you can collect from them 1,40,000. Am I right? So I
Yeah.
need, 1 second, guys. I changed the amount. Mm-mm. Lakh 40,000. Okay, 1,40,000. Am I right? So you will be recording like this. If they're paid through UPI and other by using cards and all, if they're paying means you'll be recording here. In case if they are paid through cash means you'll be making in the debit and credit card as a 0. Enter. By default, it will comes under the cash call. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So the cash will be 1,40,000. Am I right? So the total amount is a 1,40,000. So tendered amount. So tendered cash tendered is nothing that how much you have received from the customer. So let me take it as a 1,50,000 the customer has given to me. Okay. So instead of because he don't have a change, so he gave me 1,50,000. Okay. So now enter. Can you see now how much balance you have to give back for that customer?
10,000. 10,000.
10,000. So that is what tendered amount is nothing that how much you have received, and balance will be you have to return back for that particular customer. And if you want, you can write the narration B POS for, if you have a customer, you can mention point of sale iPhone. Okay. So that is what you're going to record, and I'll be saving. Understood? If you want,
Yes.
you can take a snapshot of this. Anyone have any doubts regarding the point of sales? Hello, guys. Are you all clear about the topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have accepted it. Okay, after accepted, so you'll be receiving this print. Okay, now if you want to configure anything means you can, as you already I have showed you all in the purchase order, same thing. So if you want to make any changes, configuration, or if you want to change the templates, and if you want to add any other stuff instance, you can go ahead with the configure. You can see we have varieties of things. We can add digital signature and all you need, or anything regarding the things if you want, you can add on here. So I won't be preferring for this. So let me go for, if you want to take a direct print means you can just click on the print. Now I'll be showing in the preview. So if you click on the preview means, can you see it?
Yes.
Thank you, visit again. And the product you have ordered, everything it has displayed. Can you see it?
Yes. Yes. Ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is usually generally you'll be receiving the same kind of this. Am I right? But
Yeah.
it will be in
Yes.
the vertical, in the small
Small clip. Yeah. Mm.
but usually it will be same like this. Am I right? So
Yeah.
this is how the POS will work. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's it. So this is how you're going to create a POS. If you want, you can give it in the table. So let me change the date for POS. So it will be on 1st April 2024. Okay, you can see point of sale because according to your case study, it is a 1/4/2024. Do it for the same date. Okay, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anyone have any doubts? Mohammed, Praveen,
No, ma'am.
Eric, Ravi Kumar?
No, ma'am.
No, right? Are you all clear about the topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anyway, you'll be having a weekend off. So tomorrow and Sunday and Monday also you have a leave. So 3 days you have a leave, guys. So I request everyone to practice everything. Okay. So you guys have to complete each and every vouchers which and all we have completed, purchase sales order as well as delivery note as well as sales invoice. Next, sales receipt or else point of sales. So these are the four concepts which we have covered today. So please do complete by today or tomorrow. It's up to you. As well as in the fake company, which I already have told you all for the practice purpose, you have to keep that each and everything should be updated by Monday. So Tuesday you're going to show me you're going to share your screen. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Think that, guys. Are you all clear? Others?
Ma'am, one question on one of the older classes, not today's.
Okay.
See the opening balances document that you gave us.
Yeah.
The version that you used in the class is a little different from the one that we have. If you look at all those GST, sorry, TDS and all that, the version that you used says, I mean, you actually mentioned that in the class also that we should be using it under current liabilities,
Okay.
right? But the one that I have says it should be current assets. Under that, special assets or something like that, it says.
No, no, no.
Yeah, I'll open up that document one second.
I have opening balance.
Fixed assets, 1 second.
Access.
Yeah, can I share my screen?
Yeah, surely you can.
Are you able to see now?
Yeah, show me your screen. Tally screen.
So if I look at, I see this document here. Yeah, you look at this CGST input tax. The document that you had was showing current liabilities. This one shows current assets, other current assets, and GST input tax. And these other current assets in GST input tax are not there in the.
Which I have sent the same thing. If you want me to send once again, means I'll send. Never mind.
No, I mean, wow. But what you're saying is this should be current liabilities. Huh?
Thing is, what and all GST regarding is that it should come under the duties and taxes. Current liabilities as well as duties and taxes are same, familiar words. But the thing is, you have to take it as a duties and taxes for the GST.
Right. But the question I have is two things. One is this document being different, but importantly, so this is an output tax. That means
Yes.
we are getting this tax amount,
Yeah.
right? We are returning this from somebody else, so that becomes
Yes.
a liability. But this
Yes.
input tax is what we are paying. Sure. So shouldn't it be a asset? Why would it be a liability for us?
The thing is, so only I have told you, like, because we are recording that, guys, so we know that current assets, but the thing is you have to make it as a duties and taxes. By default it will take by own. Okay,
So,
I'm not
since duties and-
particularly telling you all to take the current liability or current assets. Am I right?
you mentioned it as take it as current liability.
No.
Duties and taxes,
Yes,
which comes
duties
under
and
current
taxes.
liabilities. Yeah.
Yes, it will
So-
comes under yes.
Should we create another duties and taxes asset or something like that and put
No,
it
no,
in
no. By default,
asset?
it will take. If you select in the education mode, it has not come, but it by default it will take as a current asset.
Okay.
Okay, it won't be affected on your account. In the education mode, they have specifically given only one duties and taxes, which is for the current liabilities. But it has modified. Actually, it will come under the current assets itself. So because I don't want to make you all confused, so only I told you to not to take current assets separately, current liabilities separately. You have to take only current duties and taxes. So it can be like you can visible that. Okay. Any doubts?
Yeah, nothing else. Thank you.
Okay. Any doubts for anyone? Hello. Hello, guys.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then fine. So you guys carry on. You can practice now. So if you have any doubts, means you can reach out to me and go through recordings, e-learning videos, and practice well. Okay.
Ma'am, do you have any other case studies like this that we can use only for practice purposes?
No.
No, is it okay? All right. Thank you.
You can practice the same case study. Same things you can use and you can practice. So anyway, you'll be getting in the L1, L2, and L3. So you'll be used to that. You can practice later. Okay, you'll be having exams of each and after each and every like after each and every software completion, you'll be having L1, L2, and L3. So in that, you'll be getting the case study. You can sit and you can practice based on that. Okay.
All right. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, fine. So anything else, guys?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Carry on. Take care. Bye-bye, guys. See you all on Tuesday.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.